You can see clear skies and summer weather in Tenerife. Back-to-back taxi services, so taxi service is good and Uber is expensive. Hi everyone! Right now I am standing at London Stansted Airport and traveling to Tenerife. We will be traveling to Tenerife South Airport and staying in a beautiful resort called GF Fanabe. So stay tuned, I will take you along in this journey, and this trip is going to be for 7 days in Tenerife. So let's go!
You ready to go?
We are now on board and I will tell you the story. We literally caught the flight in last 5 minutes. They were saying gates are closing and touch wood we got into the flight. Very lucky today. And yeah, all set for Tenerife. Time is 11:05 and this flight is for 4 hours. For those of you who don't know, Tenerife is the largest of Spain's Canary Islands. It is located between Africa and Spain. Due to the tropical nature of this island, it gets really popular among the tourists, especially in the months of winter where rest of Europe is freezing, but on this island you can enjoy the sun. We have finally got the pram and now we are heading home, heading to the resort. As soon as you exit the airport of south of Tenerife, you have options to grab a taxi, which is usually metered. Then there is option of renting a car, or you can also grab public transport like buses. Today we are choosing the meter taxi. I even checked Uber, but Uber was coming way too expensive compared to the local taxis. This island is famous for its year-round warm climate, stunning beaches, and the majestic Mount Teide, which is Spain's highest peak and a dormant volcano. And in this vlog series, we will try to explore most of these, so stay tuned in this series with me. I have heard that Tenerife beaches are unique, some with golden sand and others are with black volcanic sand. And trust me guys, I can't wait to explore all of them. Now without wasting any time, let's quickly grab the taxi, go to Costa Adeje, go to our resort GF Fanabe, which is very famous. I will show you around and start exploring this beautiful island Tenerife, which is a part of Canary Islands. Yay! So there is a taxi stand here. You can stand in the queue and take the first come first service basic taxi. But as you can see, we are in summer t-shirts, no sweaters, nothing. It's very pleasant here, 25 degrees Celsius. You wanna go in? Come. Go in. Can you do it? You need help? Come on, I'll help you a little bit. Yay! Let's go!
Let's go!
Excited? Should I close the door? Yeah, all set for going to GF Fanabe.
Yes.
From here, GF Fanabe in Costa Adija is 15 to 20 minutes ride. So let's go. This way? Okay. You want this? Okay. So we have successfully done the check-in in GF Fanabe, and right now in the lift it has 5 floors and we are on the 4th floor, and after this I will give you the room tour, so stay tuned. Can I please go in?
Go.
How's it, Asher? Let's go. Oh, we have a separate bed for Asher. And this is the room. Asher, there are some refreshments for you. See, they know you're hungry. And we have a balcony. GF Fanabe's location is something to vouch for. It is exactly opposite the shopping center. Beaches are close by, the restaurants are nearby. So if you are coming to Tenerife, I can recommend this resort for sure. And this is going to be our view for next 7 days, which is absolutely stunning. If I talk about the room, it is very, very spacious, very clean and nicely decorated. Only thing which makes me laugh is this budget concept in Spain. I mean, come on guys, start using jetters. The washroom is well equipped with all the amenities, including hair dryer, body washers, shampoo, conditioners and everything you can think of. In your bed? Yeah. Okay. Sleeping already?
Who's calling?
No one's calling. Stuff very good. Himanshu went to the market and got some fruits for us. These are nuts. I always keep nuts with me when I'm traveling, and some bananas. What's this?
Cheese and salad.
Oh, salad, cheese. This is peanuts.
That is water. Milkshake for us.
Some milkshake for Asher. And also some juices for Asher. So basically grocery shopping. Yeah. It's good, Asher? You like it? That's it for today guys. I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye and take care.